Hello everybody, this is me here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make Windows 11 look like Windows 7. So first of all, we're just going to go to WinVer and check to see if this is Windows 11. Yep. So I already did what I needed to do. So far. I didn't do everything because honestly, it's impossible to apply the theme or modify the start menu without it getting all fucky as you see. If you go into OpenShell and try to use a custom start button, so let's just search up start menu, go here and go to start menu style. Yeah, if you noticed, there was a taskbar bug where the taskbar texture did change. But if you go here to replace it with a certain button, let's say a Windows Vista button, the button goes on to the left, which isn't the default for Windows 11. So it's gonna be wonky, and if you try to move the button to the left, it could still be wonky. I saw Michael MJD and he tried that and it was wonky for him. So we're not going to be replacing the start button, we're just going to keep the Windows 11 button and menu. And yeah, now I'm going to have to restart Explorer, so please wait. So I re-enabled Explorer because my taskbar texture wasn't working properly. So anyways, you also cannot use the Hero Glass for Windows 8.1 Plus on Windows 11. It's just not going to work. You cannot use the UX theme patcher to change the theme into an arrow theme, which is unfortunate because I really want to do that. And also, you can't really get the old volume control back from Winarrow Tweaker. I'm actually going to show you how to okay, so now we're going to get to the tutorial. So first you are going to go to Winarrow Tweaker. Now, this is just to perform a few optimal tweaks. Yeah, the taskbar glitched again. It's going to do that throughout the video, so I'll try not to point it out, but if you notice it, it's because OpenShell does not work well on Windows 11. That's the unfortunate truth. If you try to use OpenShell to customize your system, there's going to be a couple of glitches if you're using Windows 11. So this is on my main PC, which is registered into the Insider program. So this is actually my host computer. I'm not running this on a virtual machine. This is my host. If you see here, there's no virtual machine shit. This is actual hardware running Windows 11. And this is a 5th gen CPU. So anyways, let's get to the tweaking. So now, what you have to do, well, I'll show you. So you can go here and show the BSOD because there is no smiley screen. I'm just trying to correct the taskbar. I'm sorry how I really it's just a habit for me to keep pointing out the same shit, but I'm gonna try not to do that through this video. So anyways, you can apply the classic taskbar, but I don't think I'd want to because this is gonna bring the Windows 10 taskbar back. And I don't want to modify it too much. Like you can change the sizes if you're making it look like different OSs. Windows 7 has a similar size to Windows 11, so I'm just going to keep it, even though there is a small size in Windows 7 too. So anyways, you're going to go to Startup Sound and I'm just going to do it for show. I am not going to use it today. But I did replace the Windows startup file in Windows 11 with the Windows 7 startup sound. I am going to change it back right after because I'm only doing this to show you. So you can test your sound right now. But I'm just going to restore the default sound. Yeah, whenever I'll do it later. So you can basically disable a lot of these things. Some of them are already disabled, let's go down. Cortana. Cortana doesn't exist in Windows 11. So those are already disabled. Find lock screen images. You can change the lock screen to a Windows 7 logon background, but I'm probably going to do that some other time. So anyways, you're going to go down to personalization. Click the check mark here. I already did this, but if you have one narrow tweaker and it's not checked, then just check it. Do the same thing for these ones. Don't do this because that already happens. But you can disable the Action Center if you want, because that wasn't, well, Windows 7 did have some form of Action Centers, so I don't think it's the same one. Well, it's been a while since I actually used Windows 7, and I do think it did have an Action Center, but it wasn't the same as it is in current versions of Windows or Windows 11. I think it's a different one in Windows 7. So, yeah, I don't think you have to do much. But you can get certain classic apps like Photo Viewer, Calculator, Games, Sticky Notes, Classic Task Manager, and Gadgets. I already have all those, so I don't need to do anything, but if you don't have those, then you can just click right here and it should get you those apps. It's there on all of them. If you want to enable Photo Viewer, just click here. I know it says Windows 10, but honestly they haven't updated it yet, so it's gonna be a while until they do. So now you're gonna, well, actually, if you don't have Classic Paint enabled, you can just click that, but this computer already has MS Paint. So if you look for MS Paint, yeah. So yes, Paint is still here. I still have Paint. So now we're gonna run the Windows 7 control panel, which is still here in this beta build of Windows 11. So you're going to go to Appearance and Personalization, now that you have that enabled, and you're just going to go here and change the icons. I'm just going to do one as an example, but yeah. Go to wherever your icon is. My icon is somewhere in the Windows folder. Yeah, this is it. I don't have to click apply because it's already applied, but if the apply opens option is enabled, then you have to click that. or you can click OK. Now for the sounds, Windows 11 has some Windows 7 sounds. So this is the current critical stop. So I just have to go to my media directory, which is in Windows Media, so if you have a Windows 7 sound pack, or if you don't have one, you can just go on the internet and get one, and then when you have your Windows 7 sound pack, you can just use all the right sounds. Once you have all the right sounds applied, you can just go here and click apply. I recommend you save your sound scheme as Windows 7, but yeah, I just did this. So yeah, Windows 7 does not have any screensaver by default, so we're just gonna leave that. So one last thing we're gonna do is go on OpenShell and modify the taskbar. So you're just gonna go here. If it's on the default page, just go to taskbar and go to wherever your taskbar is. Mine is here. So if you have a Windows 7 taskbar, just go to where you found it and then apply it. And then when you're done, just click OK. Now for the opacity, I recommend that you use 20 or 33. Let's try 33. Okay, no, it's not the way I like it, so I'm just gonna change it back to 20. Yeah, that seems more Windows 7-ish. Now change the border sizes to 8:8 and click OK. You're gonna have to restart Explorer, so let's just do that. Okay, so we're back and you have a nice Windows 7 like desktop on Windows 11. It's not a one-on-one recreation because you cannot do that. However, what you're going to do next is you're going to go back to Control Panel. Same place as before. And now you're going to just spend your time in setting the Windows 7 cursor, like the Windows 7 cursors. So I'm just going to show you how to I'm just going to change one as an example. So mine is in my resources. So I should probably tell you, I made my Windows 10 look like a Vista before I upgraded it to Windows 11. So yeah, so just go to wherever you have your cursors and change it to the Windows 7 ones when you're... And also enable pointer shadow because that is enabled by default in Windows 7. So I'm just going to change my cursors right now. So you have your Windows 7 cursor applied, and honestly, that's it for now. So yeah, so I may do a follow-up in the near future, but that's all I have to say for now. I'll see you later. Bye. Bye.